Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down, you click on apps, you come to apps list and here you're looking for WordPress app. You just click on search. Then here add WordPress, you just click on it. You come to next here, then you click on first stop, click on OK. You go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.